A short video tutorial para sa mga nagtatanong kung paano ka gumawa ng page, gaming page, especially dun sa mga gustong matutong mag-streaming. So, this is how you can create a page na pwede kang kumita ng pera. To the button right here, create new page. And then get started. If this is going to be a community or a public figure, business or brand. So, we choose, ito pipiliin natin is community or public figure. On the category, have to put here video gaming video creator. So, importante yan. Napaka-importante na gaming video creator yung lalagay natin. And then hit continue. Kasi pag gaming video creator, siya yung sa Facebook gaming, mag-level up siya. Skip natin yan. So, ito na siya, Lex TV. This is a sample page na ginawa ko. Gaming video creator para part ng level up programs. Ito yung requirements actually pag gumawa ka ng bago. So, create or switch to a gaming video creator. Kaya yung sabi ko kanina, dapat yung description ng page na is gaming video creator. So, ito na siya. Ito yung requirements. Ito yung requirements actually para kumita ka ng pera or makapag-send, makareceive ka ng stars sa mga viewers mo. And then at the same time, yung stars na yun, i-convert mo siya sa pera. So right now, first, create video or switch to gaming video creator. Ito yung mga requirements na streaming video gaming contents for at least 4 hours in the last 14 days. And streaming video gaming content on at least 2 days in the last 14 days. Itong page na to actually, na-reach niya na lahat na yan. Have a 1K follower. Actually, yung page na to have 17K followers so far. So, na-reach na naman yan. Streaming for eligible country. So, Philippines. If you're in the Philippines, of course, eligible ka. And then, meet community standards. So, madali lang kuhanin to. As long as hindi ka nag-upload ng ibang video. Huwag kang kukuha ng ibang... Actually, click nyo lang yung mga link na to. Ito yung list. Click mo yung link na to eligible country. Makita mo yung list ng mga eligible country na pwede mag-stream. And then, ito naman, community started and partner monetization policies. Click nyo lang yan kung gusto nyo basahin. Masyadong haba. So, hindi natin nasamin sa video. And, kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung apply. But again, guys, from creating, kailangan mong gawin. Pag naka-create ka na, kailangan mo lang gawin lahat ng to. And then, you will be able to receive a star. Pero, kung paano, click natin yung apply dito. Masyado mahaba para basahin, pero kung trip yung basahin yan, pwede yung basahin. Let's click agree here. Kung paano makita tong Creator Studio, ganito lang yan. Type nyo lang fb.gg dito sa URL bar or navigation toolbar. And then fb.gg/streamer. Ito na siya. Click nyo lang to. Level up Facebook. And fg.gg. Ginawa ko naman. Pero click nyo lang yon guys, and you will be able to go here in the Creator Studio, which is yeah, makikita nyo dito kung marami kayong page. Pero pag isa lang yung page nyo, isa lang ilalabas dito. Once nakapag-apply, set up mo na kung paano ka makareceive ng start about the payout. Napakadali na yan. So, ganun lang yan kasimple guys. Yan, ganun lang siya kadali. Basta pag naka-create ka ng account, like what we did right here, create a page and then make sure na gaming video creator siya. Then magpapakita sa inyo yung mga requirements which is we already discussed. And then, gaming video creator, alam niyo na kung saan pupuntahan yan. Set up lang kayo dito ng payment o lalagyan nyo lang yung mga information nyo if you're gonna do bank. Yan lang yung way para kumita kayo ng pera. Gamit ang Facebook and Facebook live streaming, whatever the online games that you want to do. And about sa Facebook streaming, guys, kung gusto nyo, gagawa rin tayo ng tutorial kung paano gawin yung streaming na yan. Just make sure na mag-leave lang yun ng comment if you have some requests about any software na gusto nyong magkaroon ng tutorial. But gagawin natin yung tutorial kung paano mag-stream and what's the software na you need to use para mag-stream. And then if you like the video, don't forget to hit subscribe para marami pa tayong video tutorial na magawa in the future. So don't forget to click subscribe. And again,